Thank you very much.
So, Tina, we're in your hands. What's the plan?
Yeah, hand this book over.
Being in a representation role.
Yes. First of all, we want to condole with you as Vision Group, the demise. Queen Elizabeth, as you know, was a great singer of the Kkwiini. She came to Uganda 2 times memorably. In 1954, when she came to officially open the dam, Owen Falls, which is now called Maluvali. And later in 2007, when she came here to preside over the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting. Both those events were very significant for this country. For the dam, as you know, energy is very important for our development, and the dam has been very critical. For the 2007 summit, there was a lot of infrastructure development that happened, and of course the fraternity of the Commonwealth. Uganda hosting that summit was very important for us. But importantly, Uganda has had a long history with Britain and the United Kingdom as a protectorate, and of course later as a development.
We have been personally touched and professionally touched, and thank you to all the staff. We know you very well, and we have a very close relationship. It means a lot.
Yes.
But make sure it gets passed back to London. So thank you so much. It has a brain. The fact that the majority of what I seem to do seems to be having my photograph.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.